What is your strength? Have you ever stopped to think about it? Today, in this video, I will try to help you discover your own strength. Hello, my name is Bhaskar Raha and I present some life development videos in this channel. I try to help all my viewers to grow their personality. We are in a mission to develop our personality. If you're first time in this channel, please subscribe it. Support us so that we can make more of such videos to help your personality. So, let's begin today. We all live with our strengths and weaknesses. You know, weaknesses are very easy to find. We can find our weakness. Some people also can tell us this is your weakness, because weakness is mostly exposed, but it's a challenge to find our strength. It's really challenging. Let me clear you one thing, that every one of us has a unique strength, and that's for sure. And our task is to find that very strength. The question is how? What might be the way or ways to discover our own strength? Well, I'm just trying something for you in this video. So stay with me in this video till the end. See whether these tips are going to help you or not. Find a stress-free half an hour any time of the day. That may be in the early morning, that may be in the midnight, that may be in the evening. Whenever you think you are absolutely stress-free, find out that particular half an hour. Now, during that half an hour, find a silent corner of your house and sit there. Focus on yourself. Focus on your mind. Think about your likings and dislikings. Think what's going on inside you. You can see many pearls. You can see many gems. You can see so many things inside you. Think about some skills that you like more. How do you feel when you spend time with those skills? Once you discover any skill that you enjoy more than the other, pick that up. Because that very skill is going to be your real strength. But please remember, this skill searching is a time-consuming matter. It may take a week or a month or a year or even more. Please be patient in searching your skills, because your correctly chosen skill will bring some grand success in your life. You may select doing craft work or drawing or singing or dancing or acting or playing some games, whatever you mostly like from the core of your heart. Now, when you select a particular skill that you like most, start doing practice very sincerely. Practice hard. And remember, practice mostly in your productive hour of the day. How do you find a productive hour of the day? When you practice your skill and you see the time is passing very quickly, you should consider that time is your productive hour. So throughout this 24 hours, select that particular hour and keep practicing more. Your practice will be much better and you can grow your skill in that particular time. Practice until you get mastery over that skill. How do you know you got mastery on that skill? When people start giving you compliments about that. People will say, you are good at this, you are good at that. You should consider that time that you are growing mastery on that particular skill. You can ask to some people whom you trust most, your well-wishers, about your performance, about your skill, that how you are doing, and take proper advice from them. Take experts' opinion. Get all possible help that is available to you. Just live life with that skill until you get mastery over it. If you research any successful person of the world, you can find one common thing, that they were good at some skills, and that particular skill brought success in their life. And that skill was their real strength. So, this is the time to begin your journey of searching your strength. Just deny to live the life of a mediocre. Be an extraordinary person with your strength. If you don't use your strength, it will be unused. And with unused skills, you cannot reach to a successful life. So from today, find your strength and lead a very successful life. If you like this video, please share it and hit the like button, because your help is my inspiration. Meet you very soon with another life development video. Till then, goodbye and stay happy.